A new word is born. New energy to utilize. A new way of living for mankind, in harmony with nature. We are Tongyi. We produced the first heat pump water heater with air conditioner in China. We are the first to name the heat pump water heater as aerial thermal energy water heater. We are the first to introduce air-to-water heat pumps to every Chinese family. Every number one, from the same one source of ideas. We care about nature. We care about people.
These products are like our children. We looked after them from before they were born, so they grow up healthy and strong. These are for you.
Always the innovator, Tongyi pays great attention to product development, owning 31 types of tests which lead the whole industry.
Wir haben eine sehr hohe Qualitätssicherung, um sicherzustellen, dass Ihr Produkt von bester Qualität ist. Ja, das alles tun wir für Sie.
We have set up scientific inspection regulations for components and parts, checking them from appearance to function, even into deep testing. Every product has to pass 100%, an online simulated test.
我们的核心技术呢，已处于国际的先进水平，这带来了国际的一流产品，这一切都是为了您。
Tongyi has already acquired many international certificates, including the European CE, North American ETL, ISO 9001-2008, ISO 14001-2004, OHSAS 18001-2007, and China's Certificate for Energy Conservation Product.
Our air water heat pump water heater is epoch making. Each customer will get the most comfortable experience. Yes, all of this is for you.
We endeavor to supply our customers not only hot water itself, but a comfortable living environment from central hot water. Hot water for underfloor heating is also under our care. Today, Tongyi can offer customers a full range of heat pumps, including residential all-in-one heat pump, swimming pool heat pump, underfloor heating heat pump water heater air conditioner, commercial heat pump water heater. Our products are recognized by many famous clients, such as McDonald's, Mazda, and Toyota. With over 10 years of development, Tongyi products and service have won satisfaction and trust from millions of households. We consider our own duty to promote industry development. In 2006, we launched the Huangpu military training courses on heat pump water heaters. In 2008, Tongyi initiated the energy-saving Long March campaign. We introduced the concept of aerial thermal energy into Lhasa, and from there into other countries. We serve the common environmental interests of humanity. Our dream is a global Tongyi.